Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Idea. If you love creative ideas, beautiful handmade craft and amazing recycling projects, then you are in the right place because today's video is full of inspiring waste craft material ideas. You will see how ordinary and unused item can be transformed into beautiful decoration and creative art pieces. Guys, this video is made for learning, inspiration and entertainment purpose. The designs shown here are meant to give you creative ideas and help you discover new way to reuse everyday materials. So guys, recycling is not only good for the environment but it also helps us save money and reduce waste. Every small creative project makes a positive difference. Many people throw away old items without realizing they can become something beautiful. With a little creativity, simple waste materials can be turned into stylish home decor, thoughtful gifts, and unique handmade artwork. One of the best things about craft is that there are no strict rules. You can experiment with colors, shapes and different materials to create your own unique designs. Old button, cardboard, paper, plastic bottles, bottle caps, popsicles, sticks, fabric pieces, newspaper jars and many other everyday items can become beautiful craft projects. Sometimes the most ordinary objects become the most attractive decoration when combined with imagination. As you watch this video, you will notice many creative ideas made from different recycled material. Each design has its own style and beauty. Some projects look modern and elegant, while others are colorful, fun and playful. These ideas are suitable for both beginning and experienced craft lover. You don't always need expensive supplies to make something beautiful. Simple materials that are already available at home can often create amazing results. Handmade craft also allow you to express your creativity and create decoration that match your own personal style. Recycled craft are becoming more popular every year because people are choosing eco-friendly lifestyles. Instead of wasting useful materials, many artists and craft lovers transform items into decorative items that look fresh, creative and personal. You can create wall art, decorative frames, flower decoration, table decor, storage organizer, festival decoration, key holder, gift item and many other creative projects. Every finished craft tells a story of imagination and creativity. So guys, these ideas are also perfect for school projects, home decoration, family activities and creative hobbies. Children and adults can enjoy making simple craft projects together while learning the importance of recycling and protecting the environment. Crafting is also a relaxing activity. It helps improve focus, patience, and creativity while giving you the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Many people even start small handmade business after practicing these creative ideas. Remember, every great craft project begins with a simple idea. Do not worry if your first project is not perfect. Every artist improves with practice. Try different colors, different materials and different designs. Your imagination is your biggest creative tool. Sometimes the simplest craft becomes the most beautiful one. So guys, this channel is created to share creative ideas, learning and inspiration with everyone who enjoy handmade craft. These design shows in this video are shared to inspire you creativity and help you discover new possibilities using recycled materials. Feel free to use these ideas as inspiration and create your own original craft projects. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed these waste craft material ideas and found them inspiring, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative craft ideas, handmade decoration, inspiration, recycled art projects and home decoration ideas. So guys, keep creating, keep recycling, keep learning and keep inspiring others. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day guys. So guys, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.